Hey guys, welcome back to another new graphic video. I hope you guys are all well and healthy. My name is Shagor and you're watching Swag Art and Craft. Guys, today's video is about character animation. Today we will show you the first step for character animation. I mean how to design or draw a character for animation. To animate a character you need two software. One that is Adobe Illustrator and the other Adobe Animate. So today we will show you the tasks that need to be done in Adobe Illustrator for animate a character. So let's go direct to the computer screen and let's start the video. We will not draw because we already have downloaded this character from Adobe Stock. So if you can't draw, then download a character. This will be much easier for you. This is an AI file, I mean Adobe Illustrator file. It is now opening. You can see there are lots of position and expression of a same character. So I will first ungroup this file and I will select the front facing character and copy it, then create a new file and I will paste it there. Now we will design this character. I mean I will keep all the essential body parts in separate layers. So click the plus icon here to take new layers and give a name to each and every layer so that you can identify the layers easily. Now I will first keep the head in this layer, so I gave the name head for this layer. Now select head properly and press Ctrl plus X for cut it. Then go to the head layer and press Ctrl plus Shift plus V for pasting the parts in the same position from where we cut it. Okay, now next layer will be body. So let's select body and press Ctrl plus X and go to the body layer and press Ctrl Shift plus V. Next layer will be RHU. It means right hand upper portion. So you can see the right hand is in a group. So we will first need to ungroup this hand and then select the upper portion and then press Ctrl plus X and go to the layer and press Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Okay, it is done. Now next layer will be RHD. It means right hand down portion. Now select the portions and press Ctrl plus X and then go to the layer and press Ctrl Shift plus V. Now in the same way we will make other layers and paste the body parts into that layers. So watch carefully now. So RLU means a right leg upper portion. RLD means right leg down portion. Then LLU means left leg upper portion. LLD means left leg down portion. Now you can see the hands and the waist is over the body. That not looks good, so we will drag the hand layers under the body layers and now see it's look okay. Now drag the waist layer under the body layer. So we hope you understand how to design a character in Adobe Illustrator before animate a character. But it is not enough, you need to make more layers for smooth animation. So we just gave you an idea. So if you have any question about that video, you can ask in the comment box. If you like the video, you can click here to watch more videos like this and subscribe our channel Swag Art and Craft for the upcoming videos. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching.